In today's video, I'm going to share with you 5 work from home jobs that you can start today with no startup fees. Let's get to it. Hey guys, Chad here from Purely Remote, the channel that brings you all the tips, tools and resources that you need to find success online. Now in today's video, I'm going to go over 5 different work from home jobs that you can start today without any startup fees. So let's jump straight in. Alright, so coming in at number 5, we have a virtual assistant on Upwork. Now if you don't know what Upwork is, it's a site where you can upload a profile and complete various freelance jobs and projects for different people or companies around the world. To get there, all you need to do is go to upwork.com/work. It'll open up a list of different people around the world offering virtual assistant services. This will give you a good idea of what to put in your profile and also kind of the going rate, the average rate per hour. And if you want to sign up with Upwork, all you need to do is click the sign up button in the top right corner. Next up is Amazon. Now there are 2 different ways that you can go with Amazon. Either you can go for Amazon Jobs or you can be an affiliate for Amazon. So for the first option, Amazon Jobs, all you need to do is go to amazon.jobs, and that way you'll be able to search for all the available jobs that you can do remotely for Amazon. The second option is to be an affiliate for Amazon. This is where you resell different products on Amazon's webpage, and for all the sales that you bring in, you get paid commissions. And if that's the route that you want to go, all you need to do is go to affiliate-program.amazon.com. Third on the list, we have Freelancing on Fiverr. So basically Fiverr is a freelancing site as well. So you'd be able to upload a profile, offer different gigs or services, load up your jobs, and people can hire you to complete those jobs for them. So I know you must be thinking, why would I give 2 ideas that are both freelancing? Well, Upwork is more for longer periods of time, so projects that are over extended periods of time, whereas Fiverr is, I would say, better for those one-off gigs or those one-off jobs. So if someone needs a video edited or a blog written, but they just need it as a once-off thing, then Fiverr is perfect for that. So if you want to check Fiverr out, all you need to do is go to fiverr.com, and when their homepage opens up, you can either search for different jobs that are currently available on the platform, and if you want to upload a profile and upload different jobs and gigs, on the top right corner, just click on Become a Seller. Next up at number 2, we have create your own courses on sites like Udemy. Now, we've actually done this before. We've got a course that we've uploaded to Udemy that literally just sells itself. So basically any topic or subject that you're an expert in, or even that you know quite a bit about, something that you've been interested in that you could actually teach to other people, you could create a course on Udemy and then sell it. So there are a whole lot of courses for, coding, video editing. There are courses for meditation and magic tricks, and like I said, we even have our own course that's specifically for affiliate marketing as well. And the great thing about it is that you can upload it, Udemy will host it, and you'll get paid every time somebody purchases your course. Now, you can either simply only rely on Udemy promoting it on their platform, or you can promote the course yourself as well on social medias and get more people to buy it. So I just wanted to give you an example of how a course actually looks. This is our course that we've uploaded to Udemy. It's affiliate marketing training for beginners. And it is really cool because once you upload your course, it's on Udemy. They're going to host it for free. It doesn't cost you anything to upload a course on there as well. And like I said, every time somebody purchases the course, we get a little notification saying that we got a new student, we just made a sale. And if you want to see what Udemy is all about, just go to udemy.com. And coming in at number 1 is our favorite, affiliate marketing. Now, we've tried a whole lot of online jobs and different ways to work from home, and we've personally found that affiliate marketing is by far the best way to make money online. If you don't know what it is, basically it's when you promote already existing products and services from, trusted companies and creators, and every sale that you bring in from your promotion, you earn commissions. And there are a whole lot of places that you can find products for free to promote as an affiliate. So here's an example. It's called digistore24.com. And if you click on Marketplace, you'll see on the left, there are a lot of different products that you in different niches and different industries or categories that you can promote as an affiliate. Now, as an example, if you were to promote this product, which is, I don't actually know what that is, but I guess it looks like some kind of weight loss pill or something, you get 85% commission. Now, I'm not going to go into too much detail in this video about setting up or going about starting affiliate marketing because we have created videos about that on our channel in the past. In fact, we'll link one right up here, but you can go onto these websites, set up an account absolutely free and start promoting the products. And like I said, every sale that you get in, you get a commission. But it is pretty tough when you do it on your own because for the most part, you don't know how to promote, you don't know where to promote. So it definitely is worth it if this is the route that you want to go. Like I said, it's our personal favorite. It is something that you want to invest in yourself and kind of learn a little bit more about how to actually do it properly. Because you don't want to get started, put all the effort into promoting and then see no results. You want to make some money. And those are 5 work from home ideas that you can start today with no startup fees. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and remember to subscribe to Purely Remote, because we're going to constantly be creating more and more content around the subject of starting your online business and making money online. My name is Chad. Until next time.